Hi, I'm Louisa and I'm the cabin crew course lead here at East Sussex College in Hastings. We offer a number of travel and tourism qualifications, including Level 2 Travel and Tourism, Level 3 Foundation Diploma in Travel and Tourism, and the Extended Diploma Level 3, which is equivalent to 3 A-levels. So for those of you that are interested in going to university, this will give you enough UCAS points to get onto the course that you want to. No matter what qualifications you receive from school, we have a level of course that's right for you. In Travel and Tourism, we offer a Level 2 Diploma in Travel and Tourism, a Level 3 Foundation Diploma, and an Extended Level 3, which will give you enough UCAS points to go to university. We also offer a cabin crew course, which is a one-year standalone programme, which will give you an insight into the role of cabin crew. During your time at college, when you're studying travel and tourism, you'll look at different units such as the cruise industry, customer service in travel and tourism, visitor attractions, worldwide destinations, resort representatives, and overseas travel operations. The cabin crew course is a one-year standalone qualification where you'll look at everything from the theory of flight through to terrorism, hijacking, first aid on board the aircraft, how to put out fires, and how to deal with emergency situations such as crash landings in water and on the ground. In the final unit of the cabin crew course, we'll help you to gain employment by making sure that your CV is up to date, show you how to write covering letters, and even take you through the assessments that you're likely to have with an airline. Because we're getting you ready to work in the travel and tourism industry, we want to prepare you, and as such we ask that you wear a uniform. This is not incorporated in your course costs, but you will have to pay course costs on enrolment, which will typically cover things like your atlases, any textbooks, any exams and trips and visits that we'll undertake during the course of the year. The uniform that we ask you to wear can be either a suit, skirt and jacket, or suit trousers with a jacket, or a dress and a jacket. Not only does the college have some amazing facilities, but it has some pretty fantastic tutors as well, some of which have won awards for their teaching. And also, we have a lot of experience in the industry professionally as well as in teaching. So we're able to give you so much information and insight into some of the roles that you're going to go on to do.